How to send money online with Citizens Bank of Edmond. Hi everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to send money using the Citizens Bank of Edmond's online banking. First, you are going to have to go to citizensbankedmond.com or just open up the app and log into your account. Once you're in, you can just look for the Transfers tab at the bottom of your screen. Once you head over to the Transfers, you can just go ahead and click on the amount that you want to send. Once you enter the amount, tap on Done, and you can select the account that you want to transfer with. Let's say if I want to send it from my check-ins account, I can just select the account. And on the Transfer To option, select the recipient's amount, or if you want to change it to any other of your accounts, you can do that as well. You can also make a one-time transfer between accounts or set up a recurring transfer. So in order to make a recurring transfer, you could just toggle this on and then select the frequency. You can select the frequency as monthly, weekly, or every other week. Then you could just select your start date from the calendar. Then you can select your end date, and the memo is optional. Just type in any memo, tap on save, and then confirm and send. That's basically it, guys. That's how you make or send money online with Citizens Bank of Edmond. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.